Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are our second day into our saving flower seeds video series, I guess. And today we are going to be looking at cosmos. So I've had some cosmos grow in our pollinator garden and we have lots of seeds that can be harvested. So like most flowers, and this is going to kind of be repetitive, you have two options. You can either wait until the heads dry out right on the plant and then snip them off, or we can take a plant or a head that's almost dry, similar to say this one here. It's almost dry, so we can still snip that off and then let them dry in the house. So you can put them down on a newspaper in a mason jar. I'm going to use a paper bag, and we're going to put our heads inside of that and let them dry for a couple weeks before we harvest them seeds. Go. Okay, so just snip them off here, and then we're just going to throw them in our bag. And we're going to go through and we're going to do this whole plant, and then we are going to take them inside and let those dry for a couple weeks inside this paper bag. Now don't forget to label the paper bag with what's in it. This way if you're doing many flowers at once, you're not forgetting. So we'll see you in a couple weeks. Hello and welcome back to our second day of seed saving. Today we are focusing on cosmos. Now we've had our cosmos drying in our bag for a couple of weeks. These ones are another super easy one. So we're going to take our cosmo heads, and a lot of them have already come apart anyways. And we are going to take a dead head, which we have here. See if we can get focus in here. And all of our seeds are, all of the petals have fallen off, and all of our seeds are here on the flower. So these are them here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our flower, and you can literally just pull the seeds right off of the flower. So let me just take the camera down and I'll show you. So yeah, all of these little seeds here are the black seeds, are the seeds. And here they are here on the table. So literally you can just take this and do this with it. And all of those seeds, as you can see, are coming off. So again, another super easy way to collect seeds. So we're just going to label these, and as you can see, these ones were a purple cosmos. So yeah, super easy. Thanks for joining us on the second day, and tomorrow we will highlight another flower and how to save their seeds. Talk to you then. Bye.